So hi everyone, today we'll try to understand some problems with one hot encoding. So majorly there are three major problems that we may face while we are using one hot encoding for converting categorical data into numerical format. So first one being high cardinality. If the number of categories in a particular column is very high, say 1000, that means that when we are going to convert this categorical data into numerical feature set, it will lead to a formation of an array of 1000 values per category. Now this adds to a lot of features in our dataset and hence leading to the problem of curse of dimensionality. Another problem with one hot encoding is that of oofs, that is out of vocabulary. Assume that we have seen 10 categories in a training dataset, and eventually while testing we face a new category, that is the 11th category. Now eventually one hot encoding doesn't have a method to incorporate this new category, leading to a problem. Hence, if new category gets introduced while in the real world deployment or like during testing, one hot encoding will fail. The third one being cold start. Assume that somehow one hot encoding is able to incorporate a new category that is coming in, but eventually while training the data set won't have ever seen this new category. Hence its representation would be completely new to the data set. So if you remember how one hot encoding is, then all values are zero and just one of the values is one, representing one category. So if a new category comes in and eventually though one hot encoding is able to incorporate, assume that it is able to incorporate it, though it is not able to, but assume even if it is able to incorporate it, then also it will give it a very new representation, and eventually the model won't have seen that new representation and will give bogus results while predicting for such new categories coming in. So these are three major problems that we may face, that is high cardinality, out of vocabulary, and cold start for one hot encoding.